When you're getting a home, you want to make sure that you understand closing costs. There's times that buyers are surprised with the costs that they end up having. So we're going to break down some of the biggest ones so that you know where your money's going. So the first is the appraisal fee. When it comes to an appraisal, the lender hires a professional to basically make sure that the home is worth the price that you're paying, because the lender is going to lend on that home. And so this one is essentially protecting the lending institution from overpaying. They want to make sure that the home is worth more than the amount that they're lending. Okay, and so appraisals, depending, can run between maybe $500 and $800. Okay, next you have title fees. So a title company, they check the home's history to make sure that there's no unpaid taxes or liens or ownership disputes on a home. They want to make sure that the person selling it, that they're actually the true owner of the home and that they're allowed to sell it. Okay, you'll also pay title insurance, which will protect you and the lender if there's a claim that pops up later where someone else is claiming ownership of that home. Okay, then you have lender fees. So these are also sometimes called origination fees. So with lender fees, this is what the lending institution or the lender is charging to process and underwrite your loan. So it's like the labor that they're putting in. Basically, you're paying for this to make the mortgage happen, and this can be about 0.5% to 1% of the loan amount. So closing costs aren't just these random expenses, they're calculated, there's a purpose for them. And so as you're planning to buy a home, you want to be aware of them and make sure that you're saving up because you need to have closing costs and the down payment ready. If you want a free closing cost checklist, go ahead and send me a DM and I'll get it to you.